Okay, can we breathe again? Nope.
Not yet.
Things are happening thick and fast to Bruce. The Class 1 boys 400-meter final will close the show. Wint, McLeod, Robinson, Henry, Woods, Walker, Matheson, and Gallimore. The record 44.93 seconds set by Akeem Bloomfield in 2015. We'll have 2 from William Knibb and 2 from Jamaica College, including this man, Michaelan Woods from Trinidad and Tobago, the favorite.
Wow, Spencer just declared him the favorite. What do we do when I said that I think that Jabari Matheson is a favorite to him?
And what will you guys do when I said Junior Gallimore is my favorite?
You know, before champs, I would have agreed with you, but he looked challenged through the rounds, and you know that doesn't prove anything. That's why we run the races. But I thought Gallimore struggled to get into the final. He worked really hard to get the second place qualified.
Yeah, he's a big competitor though. Big heart.
Nishan Walker, who has not lost a race in the 400 meters at champs this year, I thought he looked really good, except I think he keeps pushing so hard. At the end of his semifinals, he was down on the track.
Collapsed over the line, dipped for the top spot.
So, yeah, there are a lot of stories here, viewers and listeners. I think the running is really going to come from 5, 6, and 7. I think I'm going to lean with William Knibb, though, and Jabari Matheson. But let's find out who they are.
Running out of lane 8 from Heidel, from Calabar to Heidel, Junior Gallimore.
The triple threat, 200, 400, 400 meter hurdles, 46.76 in the semis.
Lane 7, Jabari Matheson, William Knibb.
I'm going to go with him as a favorite, 46.54 to get to this final.
Lane 6 from Titchfield, Nishan Walker.
Eastern champion had to dip below 47 to get to this final.
Lane 5, Michaelan Woods, Jamaica College.
He has a teammate in this race who's going to help them get many, many points.
Lane 4, Paul Henry from Foga Road.
He saw Shamika McLean. Can he get on the podium?
Lane 3, Omari Robinson, Jamaica College.
At 46.90, he's going to be joining Michaelan Woods to get as many points as they can for Jamaica College.
In lane number 2, from Kingston College, Jabulani McLeod.
A key part of their big 4x4, 46.80 in the semis.
And lane 1, Joshua Wint from William Knibb.
Joshua Wint trains with Jabari William Knibb every day. They too believe William Knibb can score heavily here. Viewers, listeners, Woods from Jamaica College in 5, Matheson, William Knibb in 7, and Dwayne Excel says Junior Gallimore
from lane 8. There's a reason why I picked it.
We have got the corporate area champion, we have the Eastern champion, we have the Western champion. High class field. Class 1 boys 400 meter final.
Set.
The set position. Underway we go now. Another clean start. Jabari Matheson of William Knibb. Nishan Walker of Titchfield is flying. Junior Gallimore of Heidel on the wide outside in lane 8. Matheson of William Knibb, Michaelan Woods of Jamaica College is well poised at this stage. But as they get set to leave the 150-meter marker now, on the outside, Matheson and Gallimore. Michaelan Woods of Jamaica College joins the party now in the middle of the pack and takes him off the top bend. Jabari Matheson of William Knibb is there. Coming forward from Foga Road, you've got Paul Henry. He's finishing fast and furious. So too, Junior Gallimore. Paul Henry of Foga Road on the inside springs the upset. A sensational performance to take the Class 1 boys 400-meter gold medal in 46.21 seconds. Big performance on the big occasion. He stunned his more fancied opponents. Gallimore gets silver, 46.33. Michaelan Woods of JC has to settle for the bronze.
You know, we left him out at our own peril, Dwayne. He looked really good in the heats and semis, but we left him out for the more fancied names. This is them with 300 meters to go. Paul Henry not even in the race at this stage.
Yeah, Paul Henry out of it. Shamika McLean, Michaelan Woods ran a blinding first 200 meters. So did Gallimore and Matheson on the outside. Those three running away with it. At this point, no Paul Henry at 150 meters. Paul Henry down in 4th. Michaelan Woods at this point with 50 meters to go. You think he won it. Gallimore on the outside fighting in lane number 8. You think he got it. But it's Paul Henry. Foga Road get 2 medals, 2 gold medals. at champs in the 400 meters. Jamaica McLean in class 2, and now Paul Henry closes the 400 meters with a big performance. Gold to Fogo Road.
Wow, Paul Henry 46.21. Who could have predicted this for the gold medal? Junior Gallimore silver 46.33. Michaelan Woods bronze 46.39. Let's go back to trackside.